So let's use a real world example. Obviously, this is not the kind of deal you're doing, but if you looked at Tesla today through that lens, is that stock a buy with a market cap north of $800 billion?
I mean, the short answer is yes. The reason is that I think it took people, look, I bought Tesla in 2014 or 15. I was one of the largest owners of the convertible debt. I felt that that was the best margin of safety way to bet on Tesla. It's turned out to be an enormous winner. And I really believe in what Elon is doing. I think he's the most important entrepreneur of our lifetime right now. It's taken people 15 years to embrace that they're going to be now a legitimate car company. But when I underwrote the investment, my bet was on something bigger. And I think that Elon is well past building a car company. And I think it'll take another 5 or 10 years for people to figure out what this next arc of innovation is. And what that is the deregulation of energy. If you look under the hood, utilities spend tens of billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars a year all around the world on CapEx. They are completely regulated. They feel completely safe. They feel like they can issue debt ad nauseum. They can cause all kinds of damage to the environment or otherwise, look at PG&E and still come away unscathed because they're protected. Except that something is happening that nobody forecasted, which is the complete bottoms-up disruption of energy. And that's the only way that this thing is going to get deregulated. It's not going to be by law or dictate. It's not going to be, a big monolithic competitor. It's going to be because every home installs hydro panels, solar panels, batteries, and then software that basically allows them to live off the grid. And then eventually pump their excess energy into battery solutions and other things that are controlled by cities and towns and governments, who then in turn will turn off their usage of peakers at a minimum. And then over time, will have very different characteristics of usage from traditional utilities. That is what Tesla is powering. That is what allows it to be a multi-trillion-dollar company. So does it have the same return profile as when I bought it at what is it equivalently now 25 or $30 a share? Well, obviously not. But can it be multiples higher than where it is today? Absolutely.